Cash App, Money Circle, Blessing Loom. Is it a scam or is it legit? Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another Cash App video. Today we're talking about these blessing looms or Cash App money flip circle things. And this is going to be a quick video. This doesn't need 15 minutes to explain like these other people are doing. So I'm going to break it down for you. Right off the bat, this is an obvious scam. Here is kind of the circle or this game that's played on Cash App. And basically all of the people send in like $5 or whatever, and then the person in the center gets all of the money. So once round one is complete, here's how it works. It splits this into two circles. So it's going to take the top half here and the bottom half. David would be at the center of the circle. Aiden would be at the center of the other circle. Jared and Philip would be in the pink of one circle. Sandy, April would be in the pink of the other circle. The blue people go to the green section. And then it's up to the blue people to each recruit two more people to fill out the circle. They all pay $5, the person in the center gets all the money. And then at that point, the people in the pink are then moved to two new circles. And it just keeps going, it forms a massive Ponzi or pyramid scheme, whatever you want to call it. And it goes until it just like fades out and they can't recruit any more people, and then basically everyone gets screwed. So if you get in early, you might make some money. But just know this is a scam. This is illegal in the US and everywhere else in the world. So if you get caught doing this, you could face punishment. You know, and Cash App probably has ways to track this. There's one person organizing all these people where it sends in $5 and eventually they send some money to one person. Like, it's very easy to program an algorithm that would detect people doing this kind of activity. So you could get caught, you could get your Cash App shut down, you could be reported to the government or the FBI or whatever. This is just another form of Cash App money flip. I have other videos on that if you want to check it out. But yeah, just obvious scam. Don't participate in things like these. If you want to make money, seriously start to learn investing. Start to learn about businesses. Start to learn about assets. Start to learn about stocks, cryptocurrencies, that type of thing. And there's apps now like Cash App and Robinhood that make this so easy to do. You don't have to invest $1,000, you know. You can invest $1 or $2 and look at it and learn and figure it out and decide if it's something you want to participate in. That's how you're going to get rich. That's how the richest people in the world get rich. They invest their money. They don't participate in Cash App circle scams. They have a job and they take a portion of their money and they invest it. And they get filthy rich. That's how you get rich. You invest your money. Don't do scams like this. If you want to learn more about investing and see investing experiments, check out the videos on my channel. You can also get $5 free on Cash App and a free stock on Robinhood worth up to $500. I'll link those down in the description so you can check them out. That's all for this one. I hope you guys found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past.